Welcome to the Nature Channel. Here on this fine loop-de-loop afternoon, we have a wild rat, also known as cephalopod in Latin. Here we see it peckering around looking for something to eat. Oh my god, I think it's dead. Oh my god. Well, we return technical difficulties, okay? Welcome back to the Nature Channel. Here on this fine retarded day, we have a wild bush rabbit. To this episode, we're going to be observing it in its wild habitat, how it mates and lives. As you can see, it is farting. This is also known as a self-defense mechanism for it to fart and scare away predators. It is a very beautiful specimen as it goes through the air, farting and blowing out its fumes out of its asshole. We will tune in next time as we see something very ugly. Tune in next time. Welcome back to the Retarded Nature Channel. This episode, on this very dark McDingly night, we are investigating some reports of a wild McDingo in the premises. We're going to see if we can find it, help it, investigate, or exterminate it. These indications of cats on the signs indicate that there might be a wild McDingo nearby. So let's put on our safety caps and enter with caution. There seems to be no sign. Shh. There seems to be one over there eating the patties in the corner. Let's see if we can get a closer glimpse. It seems to be making howling noises at me. Let's see if we can get close. Don't worry, these things are very... It's looking at me. They're looking at me. They're not... They shouldn't be very harmless. They're taking me out! Yeah! Run! Run! They're very dangerous! Run! Welcome back to the Nature Channel. This episode, we're on the doorsteps of the wild creatures of nature and Retardation Island. We've stumbled upon one of their houses. Let's get a closer look. He seems to be a hoarder. This door seems to be locked. Don't worry, my dad was a blacksmith. He taught me how to open doors. There we go. This is an interesting kind of home, as it is very messy and kind of gross. Let's see if we can get a better look. There seems to be no sign of any life here. I think I might have killed it. It startled me. I think it was taking a peaceful shit. Oh, technical difficulties. Welcome back to the Nature Channel. This episode we're going to be taking a look at a mysterious, unidentified animal known as the blue homeless thing. No one has been able to identify the specimen, so they've just been calling it that. As you can see, recently has been eating lunch. It seems they are pretty dead. We're going to investigate and see if we can find any evidence. It seems there's nothing over here. It's pretty dark. Oh! It seems to be over there! I seem to have found it! I seem to have startled it. Let's see if I can find it. It seems to be hopping. It seems to be gone. This thing is a dangerous thing to an environment, and we must exterminate it as quickly as possible. I think it might be dead. Mission accomplished. We are